Land of beauty, land of pain. We hear the drums in the distance, calling souls back home. War in the motherland, but we still rise. I wake up to the sound of thunder in the east. Children running barefoot through broken streets. Smoke in the sky where the eagles used to fly. Mama's tears fall silent, she don't even cry. Brother, win again, brother, for a piece of land. Blood on the soil where we used to dance. They promised peace, but they came with fire. Now every dream buried in the wire. But I still hear the rhythm of the ancestors call. Even in the ashes I refuse to fall. We are the sons of the rising sun. No matter the war, we still become one. War in Africa, oh Africa, but we go rise again stronger. War in Africa, oh Africa, through the fire and pain we go last longer. Yeah. We don't go fall, we no go break. Yeah. Africa rise for our sake. Gunshots echo where the market once lived. Dreams of tomorrow the children never give. But in their eyes I see a burning light. Hope refusing to die in the night. Ja, ja, ja. Drums of war but I hear redemption. Voices of elders speak protection. They try to divide what God made whole. Ja. But Africa lives in the soul of the soul. Still I hear the rhythm of the ancestors call. Even in the darkness we refuse to fall. We are the sons of the rising sun. Through every battle we still become one. War in Africa, oh Africa, but we go rise again stronger. War in Africa, oh Africa, through the fire and pain we go last longer. Yeah. We no go fall, we no go break. Hey. Africa rise for our sake. Hey. We no go fall, we no go break. Hey. Africa rise for our sake. I see the mothers kneeling in the dust and rain, calling every lost child by name and name. Come back home, they whisper into the wind, but the silence answers where the bullets begin. If peace was a river, why is it dry? If we are one people, why do we divide? Oh Africa, don't let your heart decay. Even the darkest night must turn to day. From the ashes we rise, from the pain we survive. The drums still speak, the ancestors live. They cannot break what Africa gives. We are fire, we are stone, we are never truly alone. Even in war we remember our name. Africa, forever we remain. War in Africa, oh Africa, but we go rise again stronger. War in Africa, oh Africa, through the fire and pain we go last longer. Hey. We no go fall, we no go break. Hey. Africa rise for our sake. War in Africa, we no go fall, we no go break. Hey. bullets begin. If peace was a river, why is it dry? If we are one people, why do we divide? Oh Africa, don't let your heart decay. Even the darkest night must turn to day. From the ashes we rise, from the pain we survive. The drums still speak, the ancestors live. They cannot break what Africa gives. We are fire, we are stone, we are never truly alone. Even in war we remember our name. Africa, forever we remain. War in Africa, oh Africa. But we go rise again stronger. War in Africa, oh Africa. To the fire and pain we go, last longer. We no go fall, we no go break. Africa, 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 rise for our sake. War in Africa, everyone go heal, we love and laugh. Oh, we the dawn of a brand new chapter. Let the drums speak peace again, let the rivers carry names again. Africa, don't forget who you are, even war cannot dim your star. I see the mothers kneeling in the dust and rain, calling every lost child by name and name. Come back home, they whisper into the wind, but the silence answers where the bullets begin. I see the mothers kneeling in the dust and rain, calling every barefoot through broken streets. Smoke in the sky where the eagles used to fly. Mama's tears fall silent, she don't even cry. Brother turn against brother for a piece of land. Blood on the soil where we used to dance. They promised peace, but they came with fire. Now every dream buried in the wire. But I still hear the rhythm